Hi guys, it's Lory. I thought I would film a video of what's in my bag, and this is the bag that I've been carrying for the last few months. It is a Go Forth Goods Small Avery tote crossbody. I'm actually not 100% sure on that. I do know that this is a saddle leather with the saddle or mocha straps. Okay, I'll have to look up the details. I have this thing pretty chunked up. That's a pretty good overview. So I just thought I'd film one of these videos. They're one of my favorites to watch. I'm always so curious what people carry in their bags. As a planner lover, I also love leather bags. So let's jump in. First off, it's got these two pockets on each side. Tucked behind the pocket, I have my sunglasses, which are in a leather case. Very handy to stick there. In the pocket, I have my keys with a Portland Leather Goods little tag on it. I have some mints, some towel, some matcha tea, and that's it. I have some spare masks. We're still required to wear them here for certain places. Some Subway coupons. In here I have a Portland Leather Goods little wallet. In here I keep my extra cards. And I have this other little wallet from Hand Stitch Leather Tea, just with some coins and change in there. And that's all that's in there. And the only other two things I have in here are my planner and my pen case. So this is my planner. Look at that. I love it though. It's starting to get such a nice patina, and this brass is so dark I have to clean it. Keep my main card there for easy grab, and my other cards. Yeah, so I just keep that there. And lastly, I have this, I think it's pronounced Uruliku case, and this is the olive, I believe. It's beautiful. Like, I'm such a texture person, and this has it's just really nice to feel. I don't know if I can open this with one hand, just to give you a peek of what's inside. Again, I'm so sorry for the I can't use my tripod for filming over here, so I'm just holding my phone, which is the other thing that would be in my bag. And I hope hope it's not too, I hope it's just not too shaky for you. I'm trying to hold it as still as possible. Okay, I got it open. So in here, I just have whatever I need right now for either planning or journaling or sketching or even watercoloring actually while I'm out. So just a quick overview. I'm not gonna go through everything right now, but if you want me to, I will in another video. And I just have this, like I said, a bunch of stuff in there but this case is so compact. I love it. And it's like the same size as my standard, so it goes great. And yeah, this is the leather. It's so beautiful. Like, it has like this shoulder strap, which is so great. It's so well made. This is the back of it. It's got a beautiful shine of patina already. And that's the bag with basically empty. So yeah, that's my bag. That's what's in my bag. And I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.